Okay, let's have a look at a simple example before having a look at a complex example. So we've got our quadratic of x squared minus 6x plus 5. Okay, so as all that setup suggested before, we take this number here, don't worry about the sign, just this number here, and divide by 2. So that becomes the first part of our, if you like, symmetry equation. And then we take away f, and then we have 3 plus f. So they're our two roots. We just don't know the value of f yet. Okay, so we've got 3 minus f and 3 plus f. Okay, so we multiply those together. And we allow them to equal our c value, our 5. Okay, let's expand that now, and we get 9 minus f squared, and that equals 5. Now, if you are not sure on how I went from there to there, you need to go back to your Year 9 maths and review how that is done. Okay, so now let's solve for f basically. So we have plus 9 here, so I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides, so that leaves me minus f squared equals 4. Okay, minus f squared equals 4, which means f squared is not equal to, it's equal to minus 4, sorry. So f squared is equal to 4, so f is equal to 2. And as I said, showed in a previous slide, you can use minus 2 here, it doesn't matter. So now x is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1, or 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay, now there are probably easier ways of going about solving that one, but now let's have a look at a complex example. Now, in the previous video in this PowerPoint, I showed you how to derive the quadratic formula. Now, traditionally, we would use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic like this. Okay, so yes, we would put that into this formula, plus or minus b squared minus 4ac onto a, work out x. Okay, but this method is a little bit easier. So the first thing to do is this a, we need to divide everything through by a. So if I divide 3x squared by 3, I'll get 3. Divide by 3 there, I get 2. And again, divide by 3. So that's now my quadratic equation. Okay, let's set up our two x values. So there's 2, divide that by 1, we get 1. Okay, we will have 1 plus f and 1 minus f, and they will equal, and multiply together, 2/3. Okay, let's multiply those two together. We get 1 minus f squared, and that equals 2/3. And so f squared will equal 1/3, which means f is equal to 0.577. Okay, that means our x is 1 plus 0.577 and 1 minus 0.577. And that is much quicker than spending your time substituting it into that formula. Okay, hope you enjoy that method. Okay, bye.